gonna get the bus today. We've decided to brave it. We're gonna try and bus around Chengdu so we can try an alternative form of transport. So it'll be interesting to see where we end up. But today we're just walking around Chengdu. We're doing a food tasting day, which we're doing a DIY version of. You can get tours, but we've looked up online the best foods and got them all in Chinese on my phone, and we're going to basically try and find where they are and then taste them all. So the first thing we're trying is a meat pie. It's called a meat pie. It's a traditional pastry. The pastry is the meat is mixed into the pastry and then it's cooked. So you know it's a good meat pie. Okay, you can get them everywhere, but if they're freshly made, they're the best. And you know it's a good meat pie if it's got a picture, which is like a passport picture of the person on the shop, like that. Okay, so that means they are good meat pies because that means it's their own personal recipe. So let's see what's happening here and if it is actually the right sort of thing. Oh wow, they look awesome. So he's making them there. He rolls the meat into them. There's the meat, and it's the first thing we were sort of told to try online when we found this sort of top 10 list of foods, which I'll put the website underneath because it was really useful to us. So yeah, we're quite excited to have found this. And if you want to taste these pies, it's literally opposite that sign on the big crossroads. So these are Chinese meat pies, basically. I mean, there are tours out there that you can do which are about 401 per person, but we wanted to do it on our own because they're not really tailored for families. So we just looked up online top 10 foods and found a bit of research of things to look out for to sort of find the best ones, like having a photo above the door and things like that. And we sort of and kind of went from there. Yeah, I think so. So he flattens it out and really, he makes the meat go right in. How clever is that? Just watch the hot plate over there. He's really good at this, isn't he? So this is the finished product. They look incredible. They look so good. Guys, I think they look pretty good. Freshly made. Have you tasted it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this has exploding your sensors on your mouth thing in it.
Ah, does it?
Yeah.
That is actually called Szechuan peppercorn. Awesome. So it's got Szechuan peppercorn in it, which kind of so full on. Well, that's because we had one peppercorn on its own, didn't we? So that's why it blew your mouth off. But
I had like 10 peppercorns on there.
Really nice. Really nice, Paul.
Very, very nice.
Awesome. Yay! Tick one off the list. How awesome is our DIY food crawl?
Let's just Chengdu it.
We did. We were worried and we thought, no, we're just going to Chengdu this. In fact, we're coining the phrase Chengdu instead of the word do. So in this video, you'll hear a lot of that. So guys, are we glad that we Chengdid it? Because you can also extend it to did it. Yes, we can. Tato. Tato, is that yum?
I've had both of these.
So can we have a thumbs up?
I haven't tried it.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yay! So we're in a place called only. So this is very, very touristy, but it's basically an old street. This is designed through sugar, it looks like, or resin. It might be resin actually. Don't touch. I think it's resin. So these could be sugar or resin.
She's got a microphone, that's not fair.
So beautiful. Such a beautiful. Nearly. Look at this. I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be sugar.
Okay, so we're at the next stop in our mission for food. The thing, but I don't know what it is. And it's those jelly noodles. I'm getting two, one spicy and one isn't. Well, hope we enjoy it.
Outside or spicy and
So this is another thing that we were recommended to try is this jelly noodles. They're very thick. They look like chips. They're cold. And jelly noodles, but they do have a special name. I think they're langfen, but they're called jelly noodles. Tate, nice. Yeah, so. Nice.
nice. I mean, there's no texture.
Yeah. So these noodles are all vegetarian. So the jelly noodles, it's a vegetarian broth, and yeah, they're pretty yummy actually. The spicy one is I prefer it. I think I have to try that one again. Lily, you have to Chengdu it. You've got no Cheng choice. She's got no Cheng choice. I don't know, I just started adding Cheng in front of everything. So these are the peppercorns that we tasted that have this incredible flavour. And just standing here, you can smell the flavour of them. It's quite incredible.
Not in the camera.
And the thing is used in quite a lot of Sichuan cooking. Squid on a stick. They're cleaning their ears. Cleaning them.
So the lady's doing something to her ears. Flat on the shoulder.
Oh, look at this.
Can you feel it?
Yeah. That's a really odd feeling. It's like, it was like having...
There we go.
Okay. That's really weird. Because I don't hear the ringing, I hear the vibrations. Crazy mango drinks. Noodle broth. This is a noodle thing that we saw again. This is a different kind of noodle. It's been cut quite thickly, and it's like a wheat noodle, and it should have a bit of a sugary taste or a sweet taste. Does it?
Really nice.
It's nice.
Let's try.
Oh, it's not that spicy. You must have had a spicy piece.
This one.
Allegra's gonna try it.
They're not really sugary. They're really good. Spicy.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. This is the famous cornbread. We have to try one. So this is a cornbread.
No. So nice. Let's put them with your hands.
And this is quite traditional here as well. So we're trying it. That is really nice. Wow. That is really good. This is the pineapple rice. We just liked it because it looked cool. It's got goji berries in it and pineapple and rice. We're having a really fun day today, but we're also having a really difficult day because I don't know what's going on with Lily, but she just seems to be closing down her adventurous side, and she just doesn't want to try anything new. She doesn't want to, you know, all the food's gross, and it's just her attitude towards it all, towards this adventure, is really difficult to deal with, because being an adventurous family and the other three are very adventurous, and me and Paul are quite adventurous in our approach to life. It's, I don't know, it's just worrying to us that Lily seems to have closed down in that area, and we're not sure what to do about it. At the moment we're probably not managing it very well, because we're sort of using threats, taking away her Kindle if she doesn't at least try things. So it's a bit, I don't know what to do about it. We're struggling with this one quite a lot, because I really want her to be an adventurous child and try new things and have an open mind and get excited about new things and new experiences, but she's just closing down, and it's really, really tough. Oh, wow. That's nearly as big as you.
So as you probably guessed, we've got a rock wall for climbing in our house.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like our video. Don't forget to click on like below. Subscribe to the TaawkTV channel below.